In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make different colored arrows in chess.com so you can analyze positions like a pro and clearly visualize your ideas on the board. Whether you're reviewing your own games, studying openings, or explaining moves to friends, using colored arrows can make a huge difference. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to chess.com and open up any game or go into the analysis board. You can use a live game, a past game, or the analysis tool. All of them support arrows. Now here's the basic control. To draw a standard arrow, all you need to do is right-click on a square, hold it down, and drag your mouse to another square. When you release, you'll see an arrow appear on the board. By default, this arrow is orange. This is great for marking candidate moves or general ideas. But here's where things get more powerful. You can actually create different colored arrows using simple keyboard shortcuts. If you want to draw a green arrow, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then right-click and drag just like before. This is perfect for highlighting good moves or recommended ideas. Next, if you want to draw a red arrow, hold down the Ctrl key, then right-click and drag across the board. Red arrows are commonly used to show blunders, threats, or dangerous moves you want to avoid. So just to quickly recap, right-click and drag gives you an orange arrow, Shift plus right-click and drag gives you a green arrow, and Ctrl plus right-click and drag gives you a red arrow. You can also draw multiple arrows at the same time to build out full ideas and plans on the board. This is especially useful when you're analyzing complex positions or trying to understand multiple variations. And if you ever want to clear the arrows, simply right-click anywhere on the board without dragging, and they'll disappear instantly. Using these colored arrows consistently can really improve how you study chess. You'll start to visually separate good ideas from mistakes, and that makes your analysis much clearer and more effective over time. And that's it. Now you know how to make different colored arrows in chess.com quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful chess tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.